we are back. We got a little, I guess, kind of update on our, I don't want to say orchard. I guess we're trying to do kind of like an edible landscape, mountaintop edible landscape. We've done a lot of work, all of us have. And so we're just going to do a little update here. We still haven't gotten all the trees in the ground.
No, we've actually only gotten a few.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them sitting there. And we got to get the cages around them or the deer will eat them all. Yes. But let's go show everybody real quick. What have we done so far, bud?
We've done the peach.
The peach. Well, oh yes, the trees. That's what, okay, that's what we've planted so far. What did we have to do before we planted anything?
Right, yeah, we had to clear all the holly bushes off this whole hilltop.
Yeah, there was tons of them. What do you think? There's probably 16 or 20 of them. Yeah. They were planted. There was
when
like
we were
three.
Like halfway done, you said there's 13 left.
Yeah, so maybe even more than 20. Yeah, and there was wisteria growing all over it. So
there's a giant Bradford pear right in the middle.
Yeah, we got rid of that a long time ago. But so, oh no, you're talking about the tulip poplars. Yeah, there was 2 tulip poplars in there too. So we had to cut all those trees down. We had to separate all the wisteria out. You can see what?
And we had to get rid of the 2 locusts.
And yes, yeah, I'll get to that in just a sec. So yeah, we cut the hollies out. We had to separate the wisteria out. You can see we have it in piles, some of it still. We haven't burnt it all. We can't drag that down into the woods or it might take root down there, and we do not want the wisteria.
No,
and we don't want
invasive.
Right, it is. And we don't want those locusts either. So that was another issue. After we cleared all this, we planted, we'll show you what we planted here, but we planted a couple things, and then it occurred to me that if I want to drop any of these big trees in the background, I better do it, you know, before we plant the fruit trees. Yeah. And so we started looking, and there were some huge locust trees back here across the driveway. And we finally got rid of them all. There's one there, and there's a couple down here. So now they're gone.
Here goes the tree. I was exactly.
We pulled everything up.
We turned them into firewood.
We turned them in. Yep, there's our firewood. We got a couple stacks down there that Teddy and I chopped yesterday. We got some more logs right here, and I think we got another pile of logs down there from another tree. And looks like
have to move those all the way down the driveway to the firewood pile.
Yep. Yeah.
But we have a wheelbarrow.
Yeah, we'll do it. Yeah, or if I can get the gator started, we could use that. But so we have some more logs to chop there too. And you can see there's still a lot of wisteria vine all in here, and it's kind of like gonna be here forever. We're just gonna have to pull it out slowly as we go.
Yeah, it's so invasive. Once it got started on our mountaintop, it'll never be gone.
I don't think it will. Same with those black locusts. Yeah. I mean, as much as I cut them out, new ones just keep popping up everywhere. It's like the seeds are just here forever or something. I don't know, but anyways, we're at the point where we can start planting more. So let's go show everybody what we've done so far. Yeah. Let's start over here. I think we have a couple figs over here.
Yeah. Yes,
I think these were like Washingtonian figs or something. I wasn't familiar with this one. Yeah.
They are
Magnolia fig. Okay. That's not one that we've planted in the past, but
this one has figs on them, so we'll be able to try.
Yeah, this one does have one fig on it right there.
Oh, it lost the other?
Yeah, it did when we planted it for some reason. But we got a butterfly bush here that's been there. Used to be like 12 feet tall, and then the last winter it got real cold, and I thought it killed it, but it just started shooting out growth late in the summer, so hopefully that'll come back. Yeah. What are you doing out here, Rosie? What are you doing?
She's like, oh, I'm good, I'm good.
So we have some lantanas we planted here to attract the pollinators. It's our other fig. When I weed whacked this hill, trying to get rid of the wisteria, I tried to selectively leave the black raspberries. And you can see
good.
they are. And these little, they actually in the past just couple weeks started to really bounce back. They've gotten like twice as big as when I did it. So, and then what do we have here? We have a peach, looks like, that we planted. Which one is this?
What kind of peach?
Red Haven.
Oh, that sounds good.
Oh, look at the tag. Looks good. So we have another peach tree right over there. This big tree up against the house, and we get a lot of peaches from that. Yeah. So I know the peaches do well up here on top of the mountain.
This is an apple. Is it a Granny Smith?
I think this might be the Granny Smith. Which one is it?
It's the Pink Lady.
Pink Lady. Okay. This one actually came with fruit on it from the nursery.
No, we got all this fruit ourselves.
Yeah, it just popped up.
It popped up in the last 2 weeks, yeah.
Last 2-3 weeks, shut off those 2 apples.
Yeah.
So
totally not cheating.
Yeah, and then that's all we've done so far. We had this grapevine was actually all up in the hollies with the wisteria, and I tried to keep it, preserve it, so we can make like a trellis for it. You can see it's a massive grapevine.
We've seen, when we go hiking though, we've seen ones that are like this.
Yeah, I think those are muscadines, the big ones that we saw. This one is a muscadine.
It's a grape.
Uh-oh, someone's in trouble. Uh-oh.
I see.
So that's all we've done. So we have space. We got to leave a lot of space between these trees. They could get to be up to 20 feet wide each. I think that's about 24 feet that I have between these two. And we'll prune them. We'll keep them cut back. But that also leaves us room to plant, other stuff in between it. So it's not just a straight up fruit orchard. We can have ornamentals in there or more blueberries. Blueberries do well up here. Or other berries.
Yeah.
Oh.
The black raspberries.
Yeah, definitely. So, all right, so today I think the plan for today is we're gonna try and burn the rest of the wisteria piles. Of course, we'll try and pull out more wisteria, but that's gonna be a lifelong task. We'll just have to do it every time we're out here. It's kind of a motto. When you're in the garden, you pick a weed and pull it. So, and then we're gonna try and get the rest of those trees in the ground. So you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get to it.